Ayaw naman magtuloy-tuloy nito, ano? Tuloy-tuloy po naman doon. Hindi ko nakita.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless we could be.
Automatic wild yung nasa loob.
How careless we could be.
Sa gitna lang yung wild.
And how careless we could be.
Ay, magkunik.
And how careless we could be.
Scatter! Gago lumagpas! Umay! Ubus na naman ang 500 New G's. Nag-cocktail ako kanina, hindi yun nagbigay. Aalat na nga na nilalaro ko. Baka si Mahjong na ang ano ko, hindi ko pa ulit dinaanan. Ay, ganda ng wild.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out
Oh, isang doon na lang.
I was thinking that it could fucking break me. They're better off beating the
Isang daan, isang daan.
hate me. And you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me.
Problematic place, no?
Crazy, no. But society has me going so crazy. Yo. Don't blame me.
Papalag pa yan. Puto lang.
And I'm sick of me feeling this way.
4 nga muna tayo, wag mga tayo mag-5. Medyo maalat yung 5 ko eh.
And I will not forget.
4 tayo, 4. Bubble. Tangina sa 4 nga pumunta. Yawa. Bawasan lang pala ng piso. Ayun na si Ice, nabuhay na. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Nabuhay ka na dol ah. Ito na ata, nasa 4 na ata ang aking true love. Wala na sa ano.
You got one life, so live it right.
Yun no? Ano yan? Times 5 times 5.
Family in sight. Never cease to
10.
fight
Ano yun?
for the things you think are right.
25.
Just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the
Joey.
grind, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh?
Kailangan mag-combo parehas para mataas. Tangina, ayaw bigyan sa taas.
Limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back.
Tol, bigyan mo parehas. Gamot.
Make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word
Ay, papaldo niyan.
down, yo. Work until you found, yo.
Tangina mga scatter yan. Puro dead spin. Oo, puro sa baba.
Someone to break it, take control and don't just fake it, eh? You can make it happen. You just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back.
Hindi may problema. Kaya nga eh. 4 pa naman yung taya ko dyan. Alat, maalat na. Gago, sinira mo na ata yung PG boy. Ikaw ata ang salarin dito. Ina-adjust na ata nila boy. Nalulugi daw sila sa'yo boy. Laban, puso. Ay, nako, Ice. Larong-laro ka, ha? Inalay mo na ako, ha? Gago, 100 na lang pera ko, B. Ang kati.
Let's go.
Ang kati niya talaga.
I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'll be grateful
Pag panalo.
for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody looking.
Uwi na ba si Phantom?
You gotta work hard, play hard.
Di pa. Dito na daw titira yun. Mag-HOF daw siya. Bibili siya salmon.
And do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. 'Cause 10% of something is better than nothing.
Dul, mag-scatter ka naman, Dul. Nag-scatter ako sa Yakuza. Wala din nakuha. Ang ina naman. Nagbabawi si PG Sop.
So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train.
Nagbabawi si PG Sop, boy.
One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain.
Sana umasa.
Way to make a change, yeah.
Gogo, wala na. Wala ng pera. Pak. Okay, GG's. Talo na naman. Pahinga na ulit. Ano na, Windsor? Wala na, delay yan eh. Ginugulo mo yung mga tropa ko dito ah. Dol, huwag mong guloyin yung mga tropa ko. Wala, hindi siya na ano kung saan. $1.4, laki naman. Nod na kami sa'yo, panood. Tapos na kami. Alay na kami.
Climb to the crown in my prime right now. Hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets. It's funny, I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak. I like to build things, empires out of buildings. I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things, of motivating and killing depression, exhaustion. We need some healing. I work through the pain. I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the
Quit na si Zap, di ko nakikita sa TOBD din. Asia 4 sila eh. Ewan ko, umuwi na.
same, yeah. So I keep pushing through
Nasa Asia 4 sila kasi kuha sila nung event.
change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough. I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug. I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, yeah, I got this. Will not quit to the top, I promise. 'Cause I've had enough.
Ito na napafarm ko. 30 pa lang. Walang iya. Alat naman nito. Wala na yun. Tapos na yun. Di na yun nagpaparamdam na. Yan. Tinanggap na nila. Oh, masaya pa siya. Oh, kanya-kanyang trip yan, boy. Si Sanchay yun eh, no?
Yeah. Everybody Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now.
Dun sa Indonesia.
I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I'll never let the doubt creep in.
Ano kaya mangyayari sa kanya nun?
Best friend, I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself.
Jeff, kumakain lang siguro.
Understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me.
Comment sa live eh.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Hirap pala na ito pag bibihinan ka ng kalahating oras sa Magic Store. Ay, sa MS. Walang ginagawa. Kata, may isa pa. Oo. Hindi na maabot. Wala, lalabas din naman ako. Lalabas din ako bago mag, word boss eh. Ay, hindi. Word boss eh. Ubus pa rin yung ano dito.
If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Kakaantok. Yung conquest ko, mga ano pa, 10 days pa to. Pero meron ka naman speed up. Ang dami nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 days pa. 16 days to. Tagal. Oo. Sakit yan. Hindi ko rin sure.
Yeah. I wanna build a life worth living. I wanna be rich cause I wanna be given. I feel the time keeps ticking. I wish I had more but I'll take what's given. I just wanna pop cause I've been working a lot.
Meron pa akong conquest na hindi ko nagagawa yung sa ano.
Cause it's been years on this path that I walk.
Yung tier 5 ata yun sa training tab. Oo, ito.
When I dream big, yeah, I
Hindi ko pala gagawa.
wanted this life since I was a little kid.
Ooh. Oo, kailangan 5-5. 5-5 yung violent list. Tagal pa nun. Hindi ko pa na inaayos.
I've been doing things like I have no restrictions. I don't plan to stop, no I don't plan on quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I
Mahirap
do
talaga yung oil. Sobrang hirap. Tsaga-tsaga na talaga.
Test out my limits, I've got descending to Guinness. I'm breaking records, I'm finished. I feel like I keep on winning. If I don't stop once a minute, I'm moving forward, I'm inching. But this is just the beginning. I've learned a lot of lessons, I've had a lot of blessings. My friends
Hindi ko lang sure.
be chilling, I'll be
Hindi ko napapansin yung mga gamit nila eh. Papalit-palit kasi sila ng mga ginagamit.
so I'll spend time investing. When I dream big, yeah, I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did. Worked towards it and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing things like I have no restrictions.
Anong ganap sa Asia 3? Ewan ko. Meron ba?
Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I've been on a mission, I ain't never Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, yeah, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And now I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some more jobs just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting all gotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home and shit. Talk to close, I ain't stopping though. It's hip hop, you know, or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' up. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
Ay, ayun ko na yung ano natin, supporter badge. Bukas, wala ako. O, pala. Magkaroon na ako mamaya pagka-reset bago ako mag-end live. Kasi Sunday, pahinga na naman tayo dyan. Namimiss ko na nga yung Thunder Kick. Parang gusto kong mag-normal roll dun. Para maubos pera ulit. Kahit isang ano lang, no, yung hammer.
So we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention cause I'm gaining their attention cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression.
Oh, nakukuha ko ngayon sa normal.
My profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy. That's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. So people think I'm lost. Others think I'll be
Yusin ko na lang muna yung mga listahan ng supporters natin. Bago tayo mag-roll mamaya. Para wala na akong utang.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
Mix, Emiel, Sen, Vincent Yaquero.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up.
Zoya, Apple, Sherwin, Juan, Kevin.
Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about your pain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about your pain. So let me break it all down for you.
Tagal mag-loading.
Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about your pain.
Jenny, Beam, Ferdy, Nigel, Cord. Maru, Nika, Joshua, Cram, Micaela. Jerome, Joseph, Oninske, Mark, Kenneth.
I said you better watch what you're doing.
JR, Richard, Charles, Sheltier, Carl.
When I'm moving, I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it.
Jason, JP, Jigs, Romart, Marvin.
What you doing? Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you
Mika, Javin, John, Ding, Miruel.
like it go all night. I'm sick of being nothing, all right. I'm gonna be so
Amira, Carl, Daniel, Mike, Huawei.
every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody like me who wants to be something.
Ian, Harry, Chad, Billy, Rank.
I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not
Lawrence, Ray, Just, Edsel, Jo.
dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make change.
Martin, Joshua, Jace, Jerwin, Yelsny.
Contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type
Rachel, Jeppe, Joshua, Jerwin, Dorat.
I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking
Ito na.
cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Roll ko to mamaya 500. Tatlong 500 Gcash. Paano kaya yung CC namin dito? How many years speed boost? Speed what? Mining boost, bro? May mining boost. It's 365.
I know you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud and
Kaya pa ata ito pataasin.
I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face, breathe out of my
Mining
mouth
night.
every word that will make me.
Then,
Never had a doubt of the life that I'm
six,
making. Never had a
4.8,
doubt of the fight I'll be facing.
4.8,
Never had a
4.8.
doubt of the nights I'll be aching. Life is all about having dreams that you chase with me. Now I'll leave your ass in the street. Now I'll put your ass underneath ground. I'll bury you 6 feet deep now, and you better
Maganda kayang mining boost.
down. Get the hell out of my way now. It doesn't matter what you say now. I'm gonna take hold of fate now.
Kung sino mag-ikwenta dito
I
naman.
will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that
Dati rin di.
fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Wala. Mining ko dito na rare. 6-4. Six oh. Tangina mahal. 1K. Solid.
Yeah.
Wala. Walang
I
maganda.
don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah.
Makakapagdrakasa na kaya ulit? Sa Asia 1, feel ko oo. Kaya nyo na ata.
I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better
Ay, di ako sure pala.
put me to the test.
Ay.
This is my quest. I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive. Oh, I know. Call me select.
Napatay daw sa Asia 1 ah.
Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive.
Napatay daw ng mga HOF yung Drakasa sa Asia 1.
Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not
Oo
enough.
pala.
Even though you try,
Hindi sila brother.
I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Been through some injuries, mentally and physically.
Malapit na tayo. Paano kaya to? Nasa na kayang party tayo?
Won't admit to me, they don't want a victory. Bad enough to
Anong party na tayo? Party...
be, I know.
Wala nang party 3.
I've been on since 13, working hard and learning.
Gogo, 34 na lang tayo sa clan.
It's burning.
34 na lang kami sa clan B.
I took action working.
Naubos na yung ating mga... Ano, almost 2 seconds. Wow, nice.
Living all alone. No, I'm not alright.
We will try it next time.
But I'll tell you I'm just fine.
Gawin natin 400.
They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got
Di ano to, 365.
and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm
Unahin ko yung ano dito, Solitude. Baka kasi bumaba, yun ang problema eh.
till the end, no.
Papa tier 8. Pwede na nga pitikin to eh, no? Isang pindot. Kaso baka bumaba. Katakot.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise
2.1467 second. Wow!
I'm just getting started. And I promise you,
Paano mo kinumpute yun?
so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me
Ating mga codex.
I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. Don't take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
World boss, world boss. Wala naman tatamad-tamad dito eh. Wala tayong party, gagi. Gawa ka, party to tayo. Wala na yung mga party tong ano eh. Wala ka ng party 3 boy, tangin na 34 na lang tayo sa clan. Gago. Sino to? Si Apple? Ito, sasali tayo kay Apple. Wala na akong kasama sa party to eh. Naubos ang ating mga trapahan. So, almost isang oras kong nagmimina, 54 rare lang ang nakuha ko. Bakit ang konti? Go, di nagla-live, naglalaro mag-isa. Ang ina mo pala eh. Wala, di nagla-live. No.
Not for me, I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best
Kami hindi nag-i-scatter. Grabe ka naman dun.
get to work and better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise yourself a stack and tell the world that
Pastaya mo daw yan, boy.
come back. Pack your bags, you take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and
What's up, boss Derek?
everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up with the life,
Tumalon kaya, Buknoy?
a life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just be your
Buknoy.
wake up, man, this life is a blur.
Ay, gago, wala na. Umalis na. Tara, te. Discord. Ay, ano muna kami, world boss.
Give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream, it is what you deserve.
Heavenly Asura, pag hindi pa tumatalon yung kuya natin, madali kasi kausap yung isa yung nasa Discord eh. Uy, dalawa. Hirap mag-crack dito, grabe. Uy. Ano lang, boss? Boss? Bossy? Tangin na ayaw. Gusto ata tatluhan. Tatluhan. Ah! Sakit. 2-3. 2-3. Tapos 2 ulit. Tapos 3 ulit. Tapos 2 ulit. 3. Yun, wala. Uy, dalawa. Isa. Tatlo. Pero ulit. Tatlo. Dalawa. Tatlo. Dalawa. Tatlo. Dalawa. Sama na naman ang loob ng binigay sa atin. Bakit? Anong kinuha sa'yo? Anong binigay sa'yo sa Ansil? Kalyonis.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.
Finish
all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as
magko-contest na to, konti na lang kami. May sayang yung XP drop. Ay, gago, normal. Bakit hiwa-hiwalay yung Hindi na ata mapupuno. Yung mapupuno pa ba yan? Tatlo na epic tom ko. Next fourth Ansil, wala pa din try ko combine. Wow. GH pa din hinahanap mo? Aray ko, gago. Wanit ako. Ako pang mina. Patay dito. 7. 8, 9, 10. Lumabas na yung mga kalaban namin Uy, i-face mo muna. Peso. Tapos GH na like pala baby. Sana all. Oh, what if ganun nga binigay sa'yo, no? GH10. GH10 yung binigay sa'yo, dol. Dahil na, hirap niyan. Hindi, bilhin mo na lang sa market pagka GH10. Ito nyo ako, guys. Ay, wala tang sa amin, tawis. Wala tang tawis. Balik na nga ako. Salamat sa pagbalasa, guys. Tangina mo, ginawa mo lang kaming alay. Okay. Pin Phantom. Pin Phantom daw, gago. Ito. Andyan. Sa World 8. Tayo na mo, si Ted nandito. Tignan muna tayo malalim. Gagi, dami kalaban. Dadaan yan. Uy, joke lang. Mali ng talon. Ba't parang di kayo sumali ng clan match? Sumali kami, mabilis lang. Boom. One hit. Ala! Ganda ng lapag ko kila Dragon. Pistiyawa. Ganda ng lapag ko dun ah. Yan na sila. Ay gago, walang tawis B. Ayun lang. Alalay guys, wala tayong tawis. Gago, wala kami tawis. Gago. Seryoso ba?